my name's Link from Gardening Express, and today we're going to be talking about August garden jobs. August might feel like high summer, but there's still plenty to do in the garden. Here are 6 jobs you can do to keep your garden looking great. Job number 1 is pruning your fruit trees. Summer pruning your fruit trees can help promote fruit bud development and also helps them retain their shape. Job number 2 is deadheading flowering plants. Continually deadheading flowering plants like roses, dahlias and cosmos helps encourage more blooms right into the autumn. Job number 3 is watering containers and new plants. Watering your pots and anything newly planted is really important to help them establish and grow. It'd be really great if you can do this with stored rainwater, as it's good for the environment and also really good for the plants. Job number 4 is harvesting fruits and vegetables. Harvesting fruits and vegetables while they're ripe encourages the plant to produce more. It's also really good because they're often really tasty. Job number 5 is trimming laurel hedging. Now, if you trim your laurel hedging with secateurs as opposed to a hedge trimmer, you'll actually find that the leaves don't brown, which makes the plant look a lot nicer. And finally, job number 6 is watching out for pests. Make sure that you watch out for aphids, vine weevils and cabbage whites. The earlier you catch this, the better. A little attention now goes a long way in helping your garden look great this autumn. If you'd like to learn more gardening tips, check out our Knowledge Hub. And don't forget to like and subscribe.